Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 electric vehicle charger. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Fairy EV Charger. Specifications. Brand name, Fairy. Cable length, 5 m. IP rating, IP66. Voltage, 85 volts, 264 volts, 380 volts. Current, 16 amperes to 32 amperes. Material, copper alloy, silver plating. Charger type, charging station. Power, 7.6 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts. Phase, single phase and 3 phase. Input frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Weight, 4.5 kilograms. Product number 2, Jigu 7.6 kW 32A Type 2 Electric Vehicle Charger. Specifications. Brand name, Jigu. Cable length, 5 meters. IP rating, IP55. Voltage, 85 volts to 240 volts. Current, 32 amperes. Material, ABS plus PC. Charger type, wall-mounted charging station. Power, 7.6 kW. Charging connector, Type 2 IEC 62196-2. Phase, 1 phase. Product number 1, Fairy EV Charger 32A. Specifications. Brand name, Fairy. Cable length, 5 m. IP rating, IP65. Voltage, 85 volts, 264 volts, 380 volts. Current, 16 amperes to 32 amperes. Material, copper alloy, silver plating. Charger type, charging station. Power, 7.6 kilowatts, 11 kilowatts, 22 kilowatts. Number of phases, single phase/3 phase. Input frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. RCD, Type B AC 30 mA plus DC 6 mA. Version, app and RFID cards version. Screen, 2.8 inch. Weight, 4.5 kilograms.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.